Gmail has loads of features on its own, but there is a place you can go to add even more functionality to your already awesome Gmail account and make it even awesomer. That place is Gmail Labs. This video will show you how to enable your Gmail Labs feature, and I'm going to show you a couple of neat labs that I think you'll want to put into use right away. Now, these labs are kind of like plugins or applications for your Gmail account. Okay, let's head on into our Gmail settings, right up here into the gear icon, hit that drop down arrow, go into settings. Right along the top here, click on Labs, and you can get a little bit of a preview of the various applications or labs that are available. And all you have to do, if you like one, go ahead and click on Enable over here, come on down here and click on Save Changes. Now before we do that, I need to let you know that these labs can go at a drop of a hat without any notice. And of course they may also break or change, again, without any notice. A good example is a lab that I've used for quite some time now called Message Sneak Peek. And basically what that allowed you to do, and I say allowed because it's no longer available, is that in the inbox here, it allowed you to hover over an email and it would have a pop-up box similar to this one, only the pop-up box would be a preview of the contents, and you'd be able to preview that email without having to open it up. And I think that particular lab was removed about the same time of the recent changes to Gmail, where they added the tab feature and some kind of a right-click feature to your Gmail account. And at that time, they went ahead and removed that particular lab from the available labs section. But who knows? They may decide to go ahead and make that a permanent part of Gmail in the future. Who knows? Anyway, another one that I like and have used quite a bit in some of my more active Gmail accounts is called Right Side Chat. And basically what it does is it moves your chat feature over to the right side. And if we start typing in here, it'll start bringing up over here those that kind of fits what you're typing in here. You know, it does the Google thing. And here it is right here. Go ahead and click on Enable. Click on Save Changes. And it will refresh, reopen up your Gmail account, and boom, right over here is the chat feature now on the right hand side. Now there's several more here to check out as well. Let's go on back into our labs section, and this undo send is another great one you can use because it allows you to configure the time frame after you hit the send button to where you can undo that send. I think it's up to like 30 seconds, which really is an awful long time, considering that right now without this lab, as soon as you hit the send button, it's gone, it's on its way. But with this lab enabled, you have the opportunity to change your mind within whatever time frame you set it at. I think by default it's set for like 5 seconds. So when you get a chance to come in here, check out some of the available labs, and if you have a suggestion, there you go. And that's going to bring us to the end of this video on enabling and using Gmail Labs.